Hey, welcome to the second episode of OSINT Factor, a podcast on cybersecurity and OSINT. In today's episode, we will discuss OSINT and how it's being utilized to uncover information and solve incidents. We will look at some of the top specialists in this field as well as the most significant resources for learning about OSINT. So let's get started. To start with, we will explain OSINT along with how it works. OSINT is just a way of collecting information from sources that are freely available, such as social media, internet database, and other open sources. This data is then used to identify possible risks, execute legal inquiries, and support intelligence operations. Let us begin with the first expert in this field, Michael Bazzell. A former FBI agent who has become a major authority on this topic is one of the most notable figures in the area of OSINT. Several publications on the subject have been written by Bazzell, including open source intelligence techniques, resources for searching and analyzing online information. He also provides training classes on a variety of OSINT related topics through his website, Intel Techniques. Nico Dekkens, aka Dutch OSINT Guy, a Netherlands-based OSINT professional noted for his expertise in social media investigations and digital forensics, is another expert in the field. Dekkens has worked with several law enforcement agencies and other organizations and is a frequent speaker at industry gatherings. Lastly, I should mention Sector 035, an anonymous OSINT researcher renowned for finding sensitive information relating to international conflicts and surveillance. It is one of my favorite and finest sources for OSINT news. Sector 035 has become somewhat of an OSINT legend, with their work acknowledged by several news organizations and government agencies. Just Google it. If you are familiar with Linux, please add Bookmark to the list. Bookmark is a Linux-based operating system designed mainly for OSINT investigation. It stands for Secure, and it is developed by David Westcott, an OSINT researcher. There are many resources available online where you can learn more about OSINT. I'm going to tell you some websites and resources that I personally recommend. The first one is OSINT Framework. This is a comprehensive list of OSINT tools and resources that can help you in your investigation and gathering information. The website is organized by category and includes tools for social media and email analysis and much more. The second one is Bellingcat. This is a highly regarded website that offers in-depth guides and tutorials on OSINT techniques, as well as real-world case studies and demonstrate how OSINT can be used in practice. The third one is, which I also like, is SANS Institute. SANS offer a range of cybersecurity training courses, including several courses that focus specifically on OSINT. These courses are designed for both beginners and advanced practitioners. The next one is OSINT Curious Project. This is a community-driven project that aims to promote the use of OSINT by providing resources and training for beginners, as well as more advanced techniques for experienced practitioners. The other websites like OSINTcombined.com and publicintelligence.net are the websites where you can get information of OSINT world. I would encourage anyone who is interested in the field to explore these resources and find the ones that work best for them.
Well, that's all we have for today. I hope you have enjoyed this episode of Cybersecurity Unlocked, the OSINT Factor, and that you have learned something new about the world of OSINT. If you would like to hear more episodes like this one, be sure to subscribe our channel, The Blue Fire Red Team Cybersecurity. I am Jay, and thank you for listening.